I found the time to stop by another hard-off north of me, but got distracted by a new sign, Treasure Factory. They're also a recycle reuse shop, and since they were so close, I had to stop by. Spoiler alert, they didn't have much in terms of electronics and no MDs. Okay, enough distractions. Back to hard off. This has off house and hobby house also. Pretty spacious, so I had high hopes. And there's the junk section. This bench here is for testing. Hopefully I can find something worth testing. Here's the media section. No MDs yet. Okay, a few bundles here. Not bad at 330 yen for 2 to 3 discs. In the audio section, some MD players in good shape may be in the case, but not today. Just some nice Sony digital audio players. We got a bit warmer here with an old Discman and some cassette Walkman units. Okay, time to check out the decks. Immediately we see some. Kenwood, Denon, oh, nice old Nakamichi in-dash CD changer, some Onkyo units. A nice Panasonic with the matching speakers. This Onkyo failed to load the MD. Could be the belt. This Panasonic played MDs intermittently. Clean and lube? These two won't play MDs. Maybe a clean and lube. Sometimes they line them up vertically to save space, so you gotta check them all. Here's a nice looking Denon DMD 800. It says while checking the recording they no longer heard anything weird. Here's a sweet SP only Sony ES deck, the MDS JA50ES. It plays fine but can't record. It hangs on talk writing. It may just need to adjust the right head, but it's too pricey for me. A few more big systems up top. A Pioneer and Sony stack. The Sony has a 5 MD changer. MD playback works fine, but the CD is wonky. It's a Sony DHC MD777. Everything's working fine on this Pioneer stack. I love how these look. This Onkyo MD122MX was in great shape and has a 3-month warranty, so should be working fine. Yet another good hard-off for decks, but no portables. The search continues. As always, thanks for watching.